So I'm in this chat, and this guy Mercy is throwing like a monster. Listen to this. What the hell? Okay, guys. Okay, let's try waking him up. Okay. Hey, Mercy! Mercy! Wake up! Mercy! Mercy, wake up! Mercy, you're on YouTube. Damn, stop snoring, Mercy. Okay, listen, NO-MERCY-333. You want to add him, make fun of him, just add him. He'll add you. Yeah, it's okay. So let's see how long he can last. Mercy, heavy ass sleeper. Mercy. Mercy, wake up. Mercy. By the way, his PS3 is broken. He can't play any games. So don't make fun of him. Be nice. Don't make fun of him. Mercy, wake up. Mercy. He's such a monster. Okay, so this is the second time he's caught on YouTube snoring. And there'll be a username in the description about his other video. He's snoring in another video. So this is insane. Snoring 2 times on cam. Oh, Mercy, you're so fun, Mercy. I can't wait till you watch it. Mercy, wake up! Alright, I think I'm gonna stop in like 30 seconds. Mercy, wake up! Mercy. It'll take a miracle to wake him up. Oh, I have an idea. But it might wake him up. Alright. I got an iPod Touch. 1 second, let me just take. Alright. Air horn. Mercy. He is such a monster. Oh my god. Alright. This is the end of the video. Hopefully I'll catch him again later. Alright, peace out.